After you apply online as a dual-enrolled student, you will need to submit some required paperwork to be admitted. Go to our dual enrollment website, schoolcraft.edu/dual. Under the Become a Dual-Enrolled Student, expand the Gather Your Documents tab. There you will find a link to our payment authorization and parent approval form. All fields on the form must be completed, and the form must be signed by the student, parent, and school, if school paid. If you are self-paying, you will check the Not Eligible for Funding box. We also require your high school transcript to be admitted. You can request your transcript to be sent to us from Parchment, or, if you have a copy, you or your counselor may email it to us at admissions@schoolcraft.edu. Your SAT scores are not required unless we request them for course prerequisite purposes. New students may also attach documents to their online application in the Document Center. Once we receive your required paperwork, we will process your admission within 2 business days. Please note, returning dual-enrolled students do not need to reapply each semester. They only need to submit a completed, signed payment authorization and parent approval form each semester they plan to take classes. If you register for classes without this form on file, you will be dropped within 3 days for non-payment. If you have any questions along the way, please don't hesitate to reach out to the Admissions and Welcome Center at Schoolcraft College. Contact our office at admissions@schoolcraft.edu or 734-462-4683